Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of us have experienced quarantine and a lot of stress and anxiety about the situation in the world right now, but I want to send some inspiration and creativity and spring vibes your way right now. So I hope we can just focus a little moment on the sun is shining, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own basil supply that will last you pretty much all spring and all summer. So I have bought one organic plant from just a regular grocery store, and I thought this was a really nice one. It had good branches, so there are a lot of good things we can do with this one. I'm just gonna get a pair of scissors. So what you'll need to do this is the basil plant, a pair of scissors, some small jars with water in or some small vases. I use all baby food jars, some water, a bigger pot, and some organic soil. So what I do first is that I take these branches and I look at where there are coming small branches. So you cut right above those. So what I'm doing is that I'm finding the places where there are smaller branches coming out, and then I take up the top, I take away the bigger leaves from this one so that there's just a small cutting left. Just make sure not to damage the small branches. I'm also doing that on the mother plant. So right by the small branches I take off the bigger leaves. So this will be my first harvest. I'll probably make some nice pasta dish with this. Let's see. So now I have taken off the bigger leaves. So there's a quite small plant left, and I also do that when I harvest it further ahead. I take the bigger leaves, and then the smaller leaves that are coming behind get more power to grow. So now I'm going to replant this one. So I will start with some soil on the bottom. Like that. And then I will gently take this out. The store-bought basils usually have a lot of roots, so sometimes it can be tricky to get it out. Just make sure to be careful. Like that. And then I will fill up with soil. And then I will water it a little bit. If you have some organic plant nutrition, you can add that too. And then I will take these cuttings and put them into water. And as you can see, I have gotten quite a lot of cuttings. I'll remove some more leaves from this one. I've gotten quite a lot of cuttings from one plant. And I hope that as many of them as possible will get some roots so that I can plant them. Let's see if they want to stay there. I know some people too who has tried to divide the mother plant into several different plants. Hasn't really worked that well for me, but I think this is a better strategy. These were teeny tiny, so I'll have to put them into something else. And then I put these in a sunny place so they get some nice roots, and when they're ready, we will plant them. So I hope you've gotten some ideas. I will of course update you with both the basil and other stuff I'm growing this spring and summer. And I would love to know if this is the kind of videos you like, or if you want to see something else here on my channel. I think it's really nice to plant things now that spring is here and there's a lot of sunshine, but I would really love to know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate your support. It means so much to me, and leave a comment if there's anything on your mind that you want to share. Bye!